So to pull the starter on a 4x4 S10 Sonoma is really easy, guys, and this is how you do it. Starter removable on the 4x4 S10 Sonomas, Blazers, etc. Get your bolts here, a 14 and an 8 mil. Remove your wires, crawl underneath, and you got your 2 bolts, one here, one here. You pull those out, slide the starter back, turn it a little bit, it'll come right through here. So bear with me, I will kind of hold my phone and do this at the same time for you guys. This is a 13 because, you know, GM can't do anything with all one kind of bolts, right? I've got 2 different extensions just to give me a little bit more leverage now that I've broken it free. Bear with me while I pull the extensions off the socket and ratchet. So you unthread these bolts here. And the other one right there. Doing this kind of stuff, you guys can't be afraid to get a little greasy, because you never really know what your underside looks like until you start doing things. I mean, I got a leak, obviously. But there we go, starter's out. Remove the bolt. Slide it back. And right through the little hole. There we go. Starter's been removed. So keep in mind you need a 13 mil, a 14 mil, and an 8 mil, and that will get your job done. Right, now we got the starter pulled. So these here are what the bolts look like. Make sure they're in good shape. Make sure the threads aren't all wonky on you. I mean, this truck's in really good shape as it is. I wouldn't expect to have any problems like that from my truck, but I know there's a lot out there out in the US that have rust, and I'm sure Canada's got the same thing where I'm at. So when the starter's in, these are the 2 bolts you're actually going for. Is right here. This is the 8 mil and this is the 14 mil that you see inside the wheel well there. So just so you have a better view at it, you leave this one on. You have no need to get that. It just goes right back into the starter motor. I hope this video was helpful. And if you're doing any motor swaps or anything else like that, check out the page. I'm trying my best to document this 4-3 swap with this one. I got it from the junkyard. So any questions, comment, reach out on social media. I have several different pages to check out, and I hope you all enjoy. Subscribe.